I welcome you back in One in All YouTube channel, day 15 of typing tutorial. Today I will teach you how you will place your finger on the bottom row. First of all, you have to place your left hand on ASDF and right hand on semicolon LKJ. Then you have to type Z with the tiny finger of your left hand. You have to type Z with the tiny finger of your left hand. You have to type X with the ring finger of your left hand. You have to type C with the middle finger of left hand, and V, that is, you have to type V of the bottom row with the forefinger of left hand. On the right hand, you have to place it on home row, and you have to type, that is, forward slash with a tiny finger, then you have to type full stop with the ring finger of right hand, that is full stop with the ring finger of a right hand. Then you have to type comma with the middle finger of your right hand, comma with middle finger of your right hand, and M with the forefinger of the right hand. Your exercise is, you have to first place your hand on the home row, and you have to type that Z space bar, X space bar, C space bar, V space bar. On the right hand, forward slash space bar, full stop space bar, comma space bar, M space bar. You have to repeat this exercise for at least 1 hour. That's it. That's much. Thank you so much.